we are gonna see how we get this done, because it's, as you can see, it's a mess. Oh. Hey, how's everyone doing today? It is Monday, February the 17th. We're up at the shop doing some work. Chad's next door in the auto part of the shop where we do our mechanical work. Let's go over there and take a look and see what he's up to. What's up, Chad?
Oh, just stenciling out repair panel. Get it trimmed out and bent into shape and put it right there.
Chad's in here working on the flatbed, still working on the body work. We're on the doors now. So he's working on that, and I'm next door in the mower shop. Trying to get things organized, trying to get things squared away and ready. We'll go over there and take a look and see what kind of mess we got going on. So this is the exterior wall to our office slash break room addition, which is slowly coming along. But I finished putting the OSB up on the wall here. I'm gonna paint it, prime it. You can see the mower shop is it's a disaster. We got to get things organized. So that's why we're split up, trying to kill two birds with one stone here. What we're gonna do is take all the tools on this wall, which this wall is actually a false wall, and there's another bay on the other side with an overhead door. That's eventually gonna come out. But we're gonna take all the tools from this wall and we're gonna put them on the new office wall and have everything cleaned up, organized, so we can get ready for the season. We're coming up on the third full week of February, and we have to get going. The weather hasn't treated us kindly. It's raining, it's a mess outside, but March is around the corner. Spring cleanups are around the corner. We have to get rolling. The truck has been taking a lot of time up, getting it ready, but that's an imperative. So we are gonna see how we get this done, because it's, as you can see, it's a mess. Oh. All right, well, it's actually the next day. I really don't remember what was said from yesterday on this, but we got her painted up. It took two coats, but it doesn't need to be perfect. It's just in the shop. So what I have to do now is take down the hanger on this other wall over here. So yeah, we're going to be taking this down, cleaning up the tools, and we're getting rid of these plastic rakes this year. We're switching over to metal, so we'll get started on that. I can film some of that process for you, I guess. Before we get started on that though, we will go head over and see how Chad's coming along on the doors. Check in with him real quick. What's up? What do we got going on, buddy?
Not much. Getting ready to put the skin on. The rust has been sectioned in, sectioned out, new metal sectioned in. So this is the driver's door, and if you remember, this was the area you could put the hammer through. So we bent a piece of metal, welded it in on the bottom side, primed, and then put a seam sealer along the seam where it was welded. I helped seal it up a little bit, and now we're getting ready to put the skins on.
Are you happy with the progress? I mean, feel like we're doing all right? I mean,
yeah, I do wish we were a little bit further ahead, but life happens.
I mean, that's what I was thinking about the office.
Right.
We had such high hopes of getting that done. And
hey, you gotta set goals.
Yeah.
You gotta have something to strive for.
It's definitely going to be a project that isn't ongoing this year.
Right. Not this.
No, the office.
We need this.
This is going to get done way sooner than later.
Yeah.
I mean, we got spring cleanups already on the schedule. So.
Right.
All right, man. I'll let you get back to it.
Yeah. Might be some long hours coming in, turning some midnight oil or something.
Well, that's good, considering this winter's been an interesting one to say the least. So basically all we're gonna do is just lay out a straight line across here to transfer, so we can transfer that system and make that at the bottom. We're gonna raise it up a little bit so we can keep the handles up off the floor and be able to get a broom underneath them. Rails up in here now, starting with the rakes over here simply because they take up a lot of room. Like I said earlier, we're going to be changing all these plastic rakes out to metal throughout the course of the season. Got our landscape rakes here, mulch rakes. This is a modified one. Makes it pretty easy to get into tight places. Here's a pile of tools. Just got to clean all these up, space them out. Got a few. Should clean this all up in the fall. Slacker. Okay, we got everything moved. I'm liking the way it's organized right now. Still have to clean most of them up. Run a file over them, sharpen most of them up, throw some oil on them. But overall, organization is occurring. Now that we've got the hand tools organized, we'll move on to getting the blowers and trimmers out, getting them dusted off. With the auto body work that's been going on in the shop next door, all that dust is wafted over here into this section of the shop, and everything needs to be cleaned, washed off. So that'll be the next thing that we do. Organization and getting ready for the season is good for your mental, for your frame of mind, for getting your thought process positive. After the winter, I mean, if you're busy during the winter and you're doing a lot of winter work, it's not such a big deal. But if it's been slow and it feels good to get back into the shop and start getting prepped for the season. So we're just putting all of our efforts into getting the flatbed done and getting everything ready. We will be ready ahead of time, at least, so there won't be any pressure whenever it's time to start mowing. We'll be ready to rock. If this is the first time that you stumbled across one of our videos, we really appreciate you watching it. Think about hitting that subscribe button and the bell so you get notified when our new videos are out. Thanks again for watching. Until next time.